Display Form Entries is a WordPress plugin that allows you to display Gravity form submissions directly on the front end of your website using flexible layouts and powerful customization options. In this video, we'll show you how to display specific form fields and customize which entry data appears in your layouts. Let's get started. Right now, all fields are being displayed, but with this setting, you can select only the fields you want to show. For example, I'll select first name, email ID, and product name. Now I'll save the page. Here you can see the first name field displayed. Next, I'll choose last name. Now only the last name field is displayed. If I remove email ID and keep only product name and complete name, only those selected fields will appear. You can customize the display however you want. If you want to restore the default view and display all fields again, simply clear the selected fields and save the page. Thanks for watching. Display Form Entries makes it easy to display, manage, and customize Gravity form submissions on the front end of your WordPress website without custom development. To learn more about the plugin, explore additional features, or get started today, check out the link in the description below.